Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to do a superpower fighting simulator video. Just a basic video. Yeah. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm basically just going to be showing you how I got to a very high level. So it all started about around a year ago, when my friend told me about this game. I was excited to play it, but I realized there were so many hard people that just kept on killing people. So I stopped playing for about a month. And I found the game, I stopped playing for like a year. I found the game this last year. I played it like every day, and I've gotten to the point where most things are pretty easy. I'm just trying to get to the Hydro fusion. And if you don't know a lot about this game, it's practically where you can get superpowers, and yeah, it's practically where you can get superpowers in a game, and you can train your strength and endurance and mind. And there's also like different ranks, and the higher the rank, the more power. And there's also transformations you can buy. I highly suggest getting Eternal Lord or Cyborg, because they're really good. They give you good power, times powers. And Eternal Lord gives you times 10 power, and all these other things down here. Cyborg gives you half that amount of power. So Eternal Lord cost 3 million of these tokens, 3 million of these, and the Cyborg costs 60 million gems. So yeah. And they're really good, and if you want to get Cyborg very fast, I highly suggest you go to this guy, Poseidon, because he gives you a lot of gems, and a lot of gems. So up here, watch, you are much stronger, larger, impressive, blah blah blah. Look. And yeah, he gives you a lot of gems. You can also get tokens very easily from completing goals and stuff. And you can also get them from Desert Island, from the NPC in here. You can also do quests in here. So okay, yep, blah blah blah. Let's see, quest. I need to do 60 billion something. I need to complete train in the desert. Okay, I'll train in the desert. Okay, yep, 60 billion, done. Well, yeah, I'm not complete just yet. I got these things, quest complete. I got it. Yeah, you can also get stuff from these chests on the island. So go back to my island. Go to this one, and yeah, but you have to have a certain rank to be able to A class. See that says A class required. So C class required, A class required, and then SS class required. So yeah, go over to here, the chest right here, and yeah, then I can go to the Ninja Island, which requires X class, and the chest is right over here. Then there is a Sky Island, which is just above Ninja Island. So you go up here, and then you go into the castle, get the chest, blah blah blah, and then there's all these other 1, 2, 3 training area, and then the strength one, and then strength one. If you want me to tell you a little bit more on if you want a video of me doing like strength and stuff, like showing you the training areas.
No.
How
You're not qualified to do, mate.
Okay, and yeah, that's it for the video, I guess.